Can you meet me halfway? Right on the corners. Mm-hmm. Looking to pass a couple of accounts on tonight's Asia session. Typically, I don't trade Asia, but here we are. I'm gonna look for some shorts here in a little bit. Looking to manipulate those highs. RSI is pretty oversold, but not enough. So we're looking for something up here. Is there more to the left? Maybe up here might be a target. How far away is that? That's too far. Too far for Asia, to be quite honest with you. Let's get some music up in here. Up in here. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Can you guys hear that? Let's see real quick. You guys cannot hear it. How do I? Oops. Sorry about that. Hmm. Don't know. I don't know how to get the shoes. What's this? Oh my god, I'm blinded. I don't know what that does. Um. Hold on. I guess I'll figure it out for next one, because copyrighted music and all. Let's see. Uh, all right, we looking for some shorts, but I don't like how, I don't like it yet. I need some more confirmation on this than what it's at. What's gold doing? Gold's just cranking up. Might be a short on gold, honestly. We got kind of a divergence here on that. It's kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, whoops. That's crazy. Round one. That sucks. All right, what we need to go like that. I'm very aggressive with the combines here to pass them. Very aggressive. So looking for a 4-point on gold here. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ's dumping pretty good. Looking good on this gold setup. Want to kind of manipulate down off of the open. Good push. Good push. Just don't work me out, gold. We're gonna move stops to break even now. Oh, that's gnarly. Oh, that's gnarly. That's gnarly. We're gonna secure at least 650. One more tick. One more point. Come on. We get really aggressive on that. Okay. Well, dude, that's crazy. We need that was crazy right there. We need how much more? We need 300. That's crazy. All right, we'll wait for another setup here. That's crazy. The crappy thing is about like combines, like if you're trading 5 contracts, maybe would have hit it right there too. That sucks. Um, if you are doing like if you're like exiting it the trade like manually, it's gonna drop like $300 off with 5 contracts because it's just like the fill time is just crazy. And we got an NQ, just kind of not really doing much. I'm gonna size down just to one gold. I'm gonna see. We're gonna wait and see. Like I said, I'm pretty aggressive when it comes to. We'll go 2. We are super aggressive. I'd say if it pulls back up, I'm gonna get back in short. How much do we need? We need 50 to 2713.80 minus 3,000. So we need $300, I'd say. So let's go. This might sound dumb, but we're gonna go. I'm gonna leave it like that for $300. Be patient though. I'd like for it to come back up a little bit. What's NQ doing? NQ's cruising down too. There. Oh shoot, I did the wrong one. Maybe 300. I'm gonna put a stop above here. Damn. Nasdaq's still going down. I would like for this spot to hold. Gold loves to wick. We should do a little bit more than that, like 340. Not looking good. Not looking good. Come on, boys, get hyped. Drop, drop, drop. All right, we're pulling out the big guns here, boys. Where is it? Yes, sir. Come on, baby. Yep. Boom. Shakalak. Boom. Shakalaka. Shocky Rocky. Not good. Not good, fellers. Come on. Come on. How many points is that? It's not even a. It's like 1.5. Come on. We should get a manipulation down here, gold. Hmm. Not good. Not good. Not good. Alright, we'll let that one sit and marinate. Let's see what Nasdaq's doing. Okay. I kind of want to see what Nasdaq does after this low here for it to manipulate. Gold's just being weird, bro. Want to see what it does here off the opening candle, if it kind of rejects off after it manipulates, or if it continues to goes right through it. That's what we're looking for here. Gold is not for the faint of heart, boys. This is a painful trade. Very painful trade on gold. Hope the next candle just fucking blows right down. It's gonna go one way or another. And I don't see it going in our favor, unfortunately. I just don't see it happening. We'll see. About 5 seconds here. New candle will print. Not looking good. Everybody gets stopped out. Get this off here. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Alright, so how much do we need? Let's. So we know gold is very bullish. I'm gonna wait for a retracement down here and then go long because I respected this fair value gap here. But we need need 1,000 more. Need 1 grand. So we'll do this. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna just wait and see what happens here. Welcome in, welcome in. What's Nasdaq doing? You're going. Ooh. Ooh. I wish I could figure out how to let you guys listen to Spotify music. Edit. Don't know how. Um, do you guys know how I let you listen to Spotify in here? I don't know if I can. Not sure. I don't know. Cold shooting up. Mm-mm. I'm looking for some sort of manipulation down here. And then we going long, boy. Seems like a long day. Is this all-time highs for gold? Oh, no, it's not. So we got this. I would say just sort out this high. It's also way up on the RSI. I don't know. We got another divergence here. The RSI divergence. So we got that and then that, you know. So I don't know. Thinking short still, guys. I'm honestly thinking short, but we'll wait. Mm-mm-mm. Uh, we gonna wait. Mm-mm. Hey. Like I said, I'm pretty aggressive when it comes to passing these combines. I'm not really messing around with them. So, okay, so we just swiped out the bottom. Yo, why does this keep changing? Yo. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Pretty much go for one for one. So Nasdaq's shooting down. It's kind of in the middle though with the RSI. I don't like that. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Bum 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 bum. I'm kind of looking for a red candle for confirmation to go short. Mm-mm-mm. And then we'll look for shorts for the RSI to go kind of back down to the 50%. But we won't need it to go that far to be able to get our trade that we need. Just want some confirmation because, could just blow all the way up. I doubt this is going to go up longer. Are you guys trading right now? I see there's a couple of you in here. Such a divergence. Look at that. It's crazy. What's the 1 minute look like? Kind of just cruising. Even the 15-minute is oversold as well. Yeah. We're gonna have a short here soon. I'm thinking shorts. I'm liking this on NASDAQ. What would be a long, how long would that be? What about right here? Be down there. And like right there. I'm gonna go. I'm in with my funded. I like this setup here. Just swept out the low. We've had 2 good reactions off of it. Target the other side of the opening candle. I'd say that's pretty solid. And I don't think on NASDAQ, the RSI is kind of in the middle. It's curling back up, which is good. So I should probably take this on. Whoops. I'm gonna take this on here too. Yeah, we're gonna take it on here as well. I really like that setup. So we in on both accounts. We need, oh, we just need 1,000, right? On this one. Yeah, we don't need that much. We just need like that. Uh, is it a, no, we need like 1150, I'd say. I just got a Geico commercial blaring in my ear. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Thank you for the like. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I also have a Express account that I locked out on because I don't trade funded accounts in Asia. I just try and pass accounts in Asia. That's just how I do it. That one's back to around break even. We got a little late on the Top Step account. Are these relatively, I'm actually shooting for less on the Top Step one. Pretty new to trade in. What made you take that setup? So I saw right off of open, we worked on both sides and we had some good reaction off of this wick at the bottom here. So looking also the RSI indicator is right around the middle. So I'm thinking it's probably going to come back up and sweep out these highs before it continues to do what it's going to do for the night. And then I'm pretty aggressive when it comes to passing the combines. So it's either a pass or fail them in like the first 2-3 days. So that's pretty much it. But I pretty much, you know, pride. Is that equal lows or is that no? It like barely swept it. Yeah, it like barely swept it, and then closed back up. We're going for a little bit of a negative RR here, but it's all right. Pretty much a 1-to-1. If you guys haven't seen, My Fun of Futures has a rapid account. That's what this one is. Uh, they they're pretty good, but they have a hidden they have the intraday drawdown. So just be careful on that. I didn't see that. Only on the fundeds after you pass it. I mean on the yeah, on the fundeds after you pass it, that's where the intraday drawdown comes into play. Unfortunate because you kind of just have to I don't know, to hit it like dead on and not go into drawdown like at all. Kind of sucks, but this is not playing out. Needs to go up. Needs to go up. Got my dog trying to jump up. Mile, go. We need to see a push up off of this. I like this one too. I feel like it's gonna blow one way or another here in a second. Just got my first profit account with Take Profit Trader. Just started trading last week. Nice, dude. I guess I would say I've been trading for a little over a year now, and just recently quit my job and doing it full time. Biggest piece of advice I would say is, your psychology is everything in trading. So I preach that a lot on my YouTube channel. Even if you don't watch my YouTube videos, I would just say, you know, look a lot into psychology rather than strategy. Any strategy is going to work. I would honestly pick something easy, like maybe an orb strategy. Something simple that is going to be simple to follow, especially since you're new, and focus hard on that psychology because trading is not easy. But you know, once you find a trade set up, and you take it. You gotta just accept what's gonna happen. Like right now, this trade's gonna not looking good, obviously. So I would you know, just be okay with it and accept it if it doesn't go your way. Mm-mm-mm. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-ba-da-da-da. We are hopefully gonna go up and continue this trend. Oh, for 590 on that one. A stop on that account is like right down here. I haven't used Take Profit Trader that much. They have I know they have a daily payout account though, right? That might be the one you got. I think. I have a buddy that I also trade with, and I think he was doing Take Profit Trader for a little bit. I might ditch this trade here a little bit early. I'm gonna wait and see if we can pull back up here. We can pull up. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out of this one. Yeah. Oh, you got the okay. Do they have the intraday drawdown thing too? I don't remember if they do or not. I know their like daily payout is a lot less. I'm not sure how much less, but how many points is it to go back up to 20 points in Asia? It can happen, but it's gonna have to really reverse off of here. I doubt it will. Uh, 2000 end of day. Oh, so okay, so they have the end of day drawdown. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not really liking the whole Life on the Futures has the intraday. It's not ideal. I mean, the thing that got me is they have a $10,000 daily like limit, like payout, which crazy. But I think my funded is like I don't even know how much it, or not my funded, take profit. I don't know how much it is, but maybe like 1,000 daily, which is still insane. Imagine consistently making $1,000 a day. And people do it, and you can do it, but I guess trading, you don't really make money every single day. Good traders, anyways. I trade small though, just trying to passive. Yeah, I wouldn't really like. I guess like don't get to the point where you're like emotionally attached to the evals though, because once you get to the um like once you get to the funded, like once you pass that eval and you've like put in a lot of work into that eval, you're gonna get emotionally attached to the funded, which is honestly gonna probably kill you because then you have like one losing day and you're gonna be like so pissed off, like just trying to get that money back, and it's just not gonna be good. So I guess that's the biggest piece of advice I got for that one. It'd be dope if this just reverses and smashes it and get a little NQ manipulation on Asia. It's like a nice bullish candle just to wipe everyone out. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. How far am I from even getting stopped out here? Like not even a point. 5 points. 5 points for getting stopped out. We need 19 points to the upside. It's happened before, but guess we'll find out. It's all what this candle's gonna do here. Oh, let's see. Whoops. Lux Algo. Is there a lot of buying going on? Not really. I mean, down here, but nothing here. What about the 1 minute? Lots of selling. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Bum, 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 bum. We'll have about one more trade after this before the account's gonzo. A lot of buying coming in? Question mark? Ugh. Original trade was 11 points. What's the 1 minute looking like? That's crazy. That's crazy comeback. Now that's a candle. My idea was right. I just got in kind of at the wrong time. That's crazy. Just hoping it's not a wick. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Like I said, I do these aggressively, and I just accept the risk. So this money's already gone in my head. That's just how you gotta look at trading. Pull one of these out. Where is that? Bam! Get one of those puppies on there. What's gold doing? There's the gold retracement I was looking for. 165 on that one. I mean, I did kind of gap here, so it could just be filling that little gap on the 1 minute. Did I do it on here too? Yeah, kind of. It's like gapped right here, so it could just be filling that in. I guess we'll find out here. Can you hear the music on the stream? I don't think so, but I need to figure out how to get that now. I don't know how to fix that. Intestines. Looking good. Filled in that gap. Pushing back to the upside. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 I would say also 5 minute, 1 minute, just to kind of see. I wouldn't base trades off of 1 minute just because there's like too much algo in there. But 5 minute, 15 minute is good. Uh, get this out of the way. And then obviously like your 1 hour, 4 hours for your wicks to find like zones and targets and stuff like that. Use the 10 minute, 1 hour. I haven't used 10 minute before. I wonder how that looks. I don't think they even have a 10-minute. They don't even have a 10-minute on Top Step. Do they have it on here? They do have a 10. Okay. They just don't have it on Top Step. That's funny. That's crazy. These AI videos are getting nuts. Stock MTM indicator. Got stochastic? Stock MTM. I don't even know what that is. MTM. Oh, like a momentum indicator. I love how slow Asia is. Absolutely brutal. Brutal, baby, brutal. At least we're back up to the green here. Well, 460 on that trade, 200 on this one. It seems to just go where it wants. So yeah, it does. I'm honestly thinking about swapping to ES on like in New York session just because there's like less manipulation, I guess. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of manipulation in ES. NQ just has a bunch, it's like a bunch of tech, bunch of like tech companies that are in there that love to manipulate it, so I don't know. ES has like your like big companies like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, all those big companies that actually move the market and not like, you know, have to make like find liquidity to make the market move, if that makes sense. So it's just easier, I think, to trade ES. I'm about to find out. I've also been trading. Oops, sorry. I've also been trading Nasdaq for the last like year, so I like kind of understand how it moves now and like the manipulations. Yeah, there's like some crazy manipulations that will just screw you. Typically, I don't even like being in trades this long because like I mean, any second there could just be like a random wick that just boom blows right through your shit, and it's hard to like, especially in Asia, know like when like in New York we know New York session we have like news and we know when that's coming. Um, in Asia, it'll just I've been in a trade and it just stops you out for some random way, but yeah. All right, so this is moving now. I wish we could get the music. I like trying MBT. What's MBT? Oh, micro Bitcoin. Wait, you can trade Bitcoin on here? What? I did not know that. That's cool. Hmm. That's neat. What would it be? 500? I don't know. I might de-risk off of this and move my stop up. Now that we're back in profits here. And this one I'll probably move up to here as well. There shouldn't be any reason it comes back down here. I mean, there's no fair value gap unless it's gonna crank down right through. Is that where this one is? Oh yeah, okay. I mean, it could very well have this just been a pullback and I got lucky, but I don't know. We'll see. I have my idea of the trade. I'm gonna let this play out. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah. What's gold doing? Still going down. Yeah. We expect to read off that fair value gap. I don't really trade. Do you? What strategy do you use? Like ICT or? I use ICT concepts like as just like straight concepts, but I don't like base my trades off of just all ICT. That was a nice little spike. What is going on with Nasdaq right now? This is crazy. Fucking high all over the day. Yeah, yeah. That's a good way to do it. Oh, we got stopped at okay. I was like, what just happened? It actually filled it. It didn't fill it quite where that was. All right, we'll look for another. We gotta just update this. So we gotta get 1700. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll wait. I might go to gold and see how that's looking. Kind of in the middle. I don't like trading when there's the RSI's in the middle. Typically, I like to see what that does. And of course, now it's fucking cranking back up, right? Oh my lord, it stopped me out and then went. That's what I get from my stop loss. That's insane. Ooh, I'm gonna just wait for another setup. This is a pretty big bull run from this morning. What's it like on the 15-minute? Yeah. Kind of just consolidating right now. Much we have left on this account. So we have 158, 34. So we need 1841. Well, that sucks. That would have hit too. Damn. And that's why trading sometimes sucks. We're gonna see what happens after it hits the top here. Second time trading Asia sessions. Think the MTM doesn't work in this low volume. Yeah, I wouldn't think so either, just because it's very slow. Like you said, low volume. I was right though. I mean, my idea of the trade was right. That's all that matters. So what do I have left in this? I have imbalance 51. Oh, okay. So I have like 600 left in that account. Damn. Still think it's gonna go bearish for most of the night, but I was thinking it was gonna manipulate this high first before it does that. What else do we got to the left side? Got these highs up here. Like I said, though, that's like 100 points away, roughly, yeah. That's just a lot for Asia to do in a night. I would also change your candlestick colors or something like this. Adds a little more of like a gets rid of like that psychological aspect of seeing like the red and green. Just a good tip. Yeah, and purple and white are good. As long as you don't have them red and green, I feel like that's just the big ones. I wish there was a way to get rid of the RPNL like color too, because I would do that in a heartbeat. I just don't really pay attention to it. Do you trade crypto on prop firms? No. No, I don't. I typically just trade the NASDAQ. Boom, 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 boom. Uh, 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 uh. This might be a sideways Asia session. I don't know if trading is gonna be the move on this one. Respected off his fair value gap, so I might just continue longs, go with the trend instead of trying to fade it. So we got 600 left in here, which would be like down here, and we'd search look for something like that, right? We need, how much do we need? Oops. Yeah, I need about 2,000 more. 19. You see, I don't know though. It's a pretty big target for, yeah, that wouldn't have worked out. I don't know. The momentum is pretty slow in here. I'm still thinking shorts. Still thinking shorts with the 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking shorts. I'm gonna do like a for this one. So we're gonna do like right here, go for something like that. And then, of course, that's going to be like that. Yeah. I'm going to let that one sit and see. We're going to see like the momentum's kind of just like fading out in this run here. We got a lot of liquidity to the downside from all day today. Not sure how to trade this. Haven't taken a trade. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm definitely don't copy trade me. I don't recommend doing that. But I would say just wait for your setup. And if you don't have one, then just don't take a trade. Like I said, I'm just pretty aggressive with these accounts. I got a Disney ad blaring in my ear right now. It's kind of crazy. I don't like how you can't trade. Is this the? Oh, it's a 5 minute. I don't like how you can't trade gold on. This is almost filled on my funded. Won't let you place a trade on gold. Like to see how different people. Yeah, no, absolutely. And that's the cool thing about trading that I learned is that like anyone, there's not just like one strategy that's profitable. It's honestly depends on the psychology of the trader, and that's what makes people profitable. All right, we're filled here. Let's see if this holds. This might be a quick trade for this one. We got a 6 point stop. Going for about 20 point. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade on the top step one here. We'll see. Where's my take profit? Like down that wick, like down here. All right, that account's probably gone. Yeah, it's close. So we're like here, something like that, right? Yeah, something like that. I just like Top Step because it has like you can see it's like not really lagging too much. You can kind of see the price action a little bit better. This hits, that'd be absolutely insane. Like one tick away from blowing the account. I'll probably just wait to do this account tomorrow. No rush. Mm-mm-mm. There's just so much liquidity down here. Come on, baby boy. Even on the higher time frames, it's like nothing up here. It's all down here. All of it. It's all free for the taking. Want to short gold at the moment. What does gold look like? Oh yeah. The shorts on gold look free as hell. Um, hmm. Curious. The thing I don't like about gold is like it usually manipulates a lot, so I'd be looking for maybe like it to wick up here and then look for a short. That would be ideal. Oh, I'm on gold too up here, so. Dude, I do that so many times. Like with Top Step, like you have to change like your graph and then you have to change like your order. And sometimes I forget to do that, and so I hit sell or buy, and I'm like on gold or like in Nasdaq, and I'm like, what the hell's going on? Why didn't why don't I see my brackets? And I realized I'm like 5 contracts on short and gold when I meant to hit it on Nasdaq. Crazy. Ba, 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 ba. Went short at 45.06. Let's see. Gold 45. Oh yeah. Yeah, you should be good. That's pretty much where I would get into if it retraces back up here. Like I said, gold likes to manipulate a lot, so as long as you have your stop kind of above this high, I feel like you'll be good. We did inverse that gap here, so hopefully this candle just comes down and blows right through it. Come on. It's free. Free liquidity down there. Also a good rejection block here too. I don't know if you trade rejection blocks, but it's a good retracement to the rejection block. Some good signal outside of it. How many contracts do you have on gold right now? How many contracts does Take Profit Trader let you use on evals? No, NASDAQ. Wrong way, buddy. Just 2 micros. That's probably good. Wrong way, NASDAQ. Wrong way, pal. Where's your target? You targeting like these lows down here? That's a good target down here. How many points is that up here? 18. It's not too bad. Nasdaq, you know all that liquidity down at the bottom is where you want to go. So just go without any manipulation anymore up, and we'll be good. We'll be Gucci gang. And Q. What are you doing? Uh, 44.94. What's that at? Gold. 44.9. Alright. Yep, that work right here. How much is that with 2 micros on gold? It's probably like, looks range bound. Yeah, I agree. That's a good pullback, and you know what I mean? It'll probably do one of these. Whoops. Shoot, still have that. Dude, what is going on here? There we go. NASDAQ needs to figure itself out. We inversed this, big dog. We inversed it. Not good, Nas. Not good. Oh. This will be the final trade of the night. I typically only do 2 trades a session as well, so that's kind of one of my big rules. It stops me from revenge trading and over risking. So yeah. Depending on getting back in on this account, I think I might. How many? So it'd be what, 15 for 15, right? 15 for 15. Yeah, something like that. Oh, yeah, see, I almost did it. NQ. I don't know though. Just go long on this one. Yeah, you definitely do. You definitely do. I'm just debating on if I want to put two accounts on the line or, just have this one. Well, I could go long with with the Top Step one and go short with the other one. See which one hits. Yeah, I mean Asia is pretty much just a coin flip. How's gold doing now? Gold's doing pretty good. It's as slow as molasses. I'm gonna go in on here too. I'm gonna put our stop above that high. Target there. Well, we're gonna have to target a little bit lower, like 17, 16, 75. Yeah. Alright, and this will be the final trade of the night. Any prop firms you stay away? Apex. Stay away from Apex. They deny payouts. I had a buddy who um did a yeah, I think he had like he requested like a decent amount and they like told him that they wanted proof of the like his trade in and all that stuff and yeah, it's just not good. I would not recommend them. Ugh. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Keep pushing down. Good old rejection block, confluence. Good old inverse confluence. Yeah, Apex. What else? I've only done My Funded and Top Step. I haven't really done any other product firms besides that. So I'm not sure. Hey, buddy. Down pop. Good push to the downside. Milo, stop it. My dog's trying to jump up on me. He thinks I'm getting off. Exited the short with up 50, so slow. Yeah, I don't blame you. It's like I said, it's pretty much a coin flip with Asia. I'm willing to do the coin flip, I guess, but for learning purposes, I don't know. I wouldn't. Definitely stick to micros. But hell yeah, dude, you're up. Being up is up, right? Can't complain on that. I mean, it's holding below these lows here, which is good. It didn't just instantly shoot back up. It's held down there for the full 5 minutes. So, I mean, can't complain off of that. How many prop evals do you go through? Like in a monthly basis or typically like in a month? I mean, obviously as little as possible, but with me like super aggressively like trading like this, I would say like 4 or 5 maybe. In the beginning, I would like tilt and stuff, and I'd go through a lot of them, but yeah. Come on, Naz, these shorts are free as hell, baby. Free as hell. We're on the 1 minute. It's a little pullback with the rejection. Yeah, I mean, I would personally like when you're learning, just do more of like the demo accounts. Like I don't know if Take Profit Trader has like a um account that you can practice on if they have practice accounts, but if they do, definitely do that. Or TradingView. This is a good one to utilize because it's like a monthly subscription, but you can um pay like a certain amount a month to have the back tests and stuff, and then you can back test, till whenever. So definitely recommend that. This is also seeming very range bound too. It's annoying, but whatever. Could go either way. Bitcoin could go either way. What is? Oh yeah. I don't really trade. Like I said, I don't trade them, but I mean, usually go with the momentum type of thing. It's a lot of like momentum, but all of this doesn't really seem like a lot of momentum as much as that. You know what I mean? Like all these buyers here are gonna try and defend their positions a lot more than, these sellers. So I guess that would be my 2 cents into that. Oops. Have you used volume candles? No. No, I haven't. You talking about like talking about like these other ones? I might go break even here and then just finish it tomorrow if it doesn't go. To be quite honest with you, not really feeling the Asia session love on the paid version of Traded. Oh, no, no, I don't. Volume candle. What does it even look like? Oh, I don't even have it, so no. If that tells you anything. Take your money and finish tomorrow. Buddy, we're locked the fuck in right now, okay? We are locked the hell in. I'll guarantee at least 125. How about that? How about them apples? I think on this account, I'll probably close out and take it. And then on this one, I'll let it ride. How about that? Because that other one was down. The My Fun Futures one was down a little bit, so that gives me more of a buffer. So what is this My Funded one at now? So 51, 8, 8, 5, 53. So we need 1100 more on the My Funded. So we're positive with this account. And this one's will be positive or back at like break even. So what's the shadow behind me? Motherfucker. That's my dog, Mr. Mose. Blind swing on that game. Just take it out. Oh Lord. Oh. We need like a huge candle to the downside. Yeah, boys, we don't need nothing. Nothing going up. I'm trying to figure out. I don't know if how to get. I'm trying to play music on here. It's annoying the fuck out. Maybe it's something I have to do before I even start streaming. There we go. Lots of selling. So we're down to 87. We need, I want to say just 16. Right? Oh, we'll just leave it. Bitcoin's headed down. Oh yeah, it is. That's the hardest part with Asia. It's like it could just slowly grind down all night long, and like you just don't know. Are you trading Bitcoin right now? Is that what you're looking to do? I love how they do micro Bitcoin, but not like. I wonder how the point system works on Bitcoin. Wow, 200. That's 200 points. No wonder why I don't do a full Bitcoin. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. What am I doing? Nasdaq. That's crazy. Push down, push down. One thing that I've always like, I guess, prided myself in with trading is like taking risk off the trade as soon as you can. So like going break even, you know, all that stuff. Yes, if you do micro, think you can take up to 40 micro. That's insane. Oh yeah. I had the magnet out earlier, but it didn't work. But we'll try it again. Bam. Nope, wrong way. We have to get right up in there. Maybe one didn't work earlier, so let's do two of them. Something like that. Bam. Or do the old, no, don't hit my take profit. Don't do that. I don't want you to hit my take profit. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Go up. Go up. One of those, you know what I mean? Yes, keep going up. Please keep going up. Bogdanov is gonna, he's gonna know. Bam! Make it one of those. Like that. One of them actions. Jesus. We'll leave the one on there. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks in this NASDAQ night. Like I said, this will be the final trade. Oh my lord. And then we are done for the night. We'll finish it tomorrow. Babaloo. Babaloo. Oh, that's why we have a stop loss. All right. So we are going to finish this tomorrow. I'm glad I took yes. Glad I took that off for the other account. It's probably going to crank up. All right. Well, I'll probably stream tomorrow morning and yeah, I don't know. We'll see how that goes tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna be done for tonight. So thanks for stopping in, my dude, and I hope you crush it tonight and hope you have a good night. Catch you later.